Hello angels, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samantha Satan, and in this video we are going to be continuing our review of Younique's palette number 5, and we're going to go use this color right here, Suspicious. I want to show you how this palette is versatile. You can use plenty different other palettes and colors along with it. So I'm going to go ahead into my Vice palette because I love this palette, it's so good. I feel like ever since I started using Younique, I stopped using this, and probably a good thing because look at all these colors. I don't got a lot of them left. I'm just gonna do a little layer of primer first. I got a little boo-boo right there. And then I'm gonna go into the color Undone here. Now this is just a super light transition. And I'm gonna go on a smaller brush and then go into Downfall. Now just for a little bit of highlight, I'm gonna go into Truth up top here. And now I finally want to get into Suspicious. And I'm just gonna go it right in on a finger. This eye is incredibly simple. It's an everyday eye. Actually, I want to put a little bit of highlight. Now, because I love this color so much, I'm going to put in Tender in my inner corners. Now, if you really wanted to, you can absolutely go ahead and do a nice little wing, but I actually like this the way it is. I'm gonna put on some mascara and call it a day. This is super easy. Little scar. Oh, pobrecito. Oh, he's so cute. Now just to make this just a teensy tiny little bit more dynamic, I'm gonna go in with the color DTF just in the outer V. I think Younique is just a tiny bit more pigmented. It's actually quite a bit more pigmented. However, look how brilliant these colors are. There's no green in those palettes. There's no shimmery pink. Well, I guess it kind of is. It's just Victoria's color here. But okay, yeah, it's just that green. Bam. Calling it a day. Okay, maybe a little bit of contour. Just a little bit of contour. Okay, real quick, I'm just gonna go bam, bam, bam. Alrighty, angels, this is the final look. My hair is really flat today. Thank you for watching, angels. I hope you loved this eye look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like. If you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And I want you to have a wonderful, splendiferous day. Live your dreams, honey. Lip. I need a lip. Alright, live your dreams. Be happy, people. I love you, angels. Bye.